Not getting callbacks? Not getting offers after the interview? Job hunting is tough, and companies are looking for the cream of the crop. With so many qualified applicants, you need to stand out from the get-go. TeamResumePro is the answer to land your next six-figure executive position. We have over 30 years of combined resume writing and recruiting experience, and we've helped thousands of people land their next position. Just select and order the resume package on our website that best suits your needs. If you need help, a career consultant can walk you through our different services to maximize your money's worth. Once you place an order, you'll receive a questionnaire and you can upload your resume. This will help us match you with a certified professional resume writer in your industry. Your personal resume writer will work with your application and send it to our professional editors for proofreading and editing, making sure that you have a market-driven resume that gives you the edge you need. A draft of your resume will be emailed to you for approval within 24 to 48 hours, depending on the package you select. We revise it until you are completely satisfied and approve the final resume. You can print or send the final copy electronically to hiring managers with confidence. You are just a few clicks away from bagging that job interview and the six-figure career you deserve. Take charge of your future. Sign up now or call Team Resume Pro at 844-993-3841.